The world of Sony's latest flagship smartphone, a device that's not just here to win your heart, but also to challenge giants like the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. That's right, we're talking about the Sony Xperia 1.7, the latest upgrade over the Xperia 1.6. In this video, we'll explore everything about this stunning phone, from its cutting-edge features to its price and release date. So, let's get started. First up, let's talk about the display. The Xperia 1.7 features a 6.5-inch 4K HDR OLED panel that offers incredible clarity, vibrant colors, and deep blacks. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures a super smooth visual experience, while the 240Hz touch sampling rate makes the screen ultra responsive, perfect for gamers and fast swipers alike. Now, let's talk about cameras, because when it comes to Sony, the camera is always the star of the show. The Xperia 1.7 features a triple camera setup at the back, 48MP primary sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS, for shake-free, crisp shots. 12MP telephoto sensor with variable zoom from 3.5x to 7.1x, allowing you to get up close without losing detail. 12MP ultra-wide sensor with autofocus, perfect for capturing landscapes and group shots. Under the hood, the Xperia 1.7 is powered by Qualcomm's most advanced chipset, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. This powerhouse processor ensures lightning-fast performance, whether you're gaming, multitasking, or streaming high-resolution content. Battery life is a major factor in any flagship phone, and Sony knows that well. The Xperia 1.7 is equipped with a 5500 mAh battery, ensuring all-day usage without needing a recharge. It supports 45W fast charging, meaning you can juice up your phone quickly when needed. Wireless charging? Of course, and Sony has improved it this time with faster 30W wireless charging speeds and reverse wireless charging, letting you charge your other gadgets on the go. Sony sticks to its classic design language with a premium glass and metal build. The Xperia 1.7 is expected to come in multiple colors, including black, silver, and purple. It's also IP68 water and dust resistant, so you don't have to worry about accidental splashes or dust particles ruining your phone. Sony has focused a lot on gaming in recent years, and the Xperia 1.7 is no different. It comes with Game Enhancer mode, which boosts performance, blocks notifications, and optimizes the display refresh rate for a competitive edge. The 240Hz touch sampling rate ensures precise inputs, making it a dream phone for mobile gamers. Now for the part you've been waiting for, the price and release date. The Xperia 1.7 is expected to be priced at $199 in the USA and around $100 in Europe. As for the launch date, the phone is rumored to be officially unveiled next month, with pre-orders opening soon after. So, is the Sony Xperia 1.7 worth the hype? If you love premium displays, top-tier cameras, and a clean Android experience, this might just be the phone for you. Sony continues to refine its Xperia lineup, offering a flagship experience that caters to photographers, videographers, and gamers alike. So what do you think about the Xperia 1.7? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exclusive tech content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.